Hi, I am Lila ICKS. I am Guatemalan German. I have a bachelor degree in international relations and a second one in political science. I have work experience in the NGOs field, coordinating programs and developing projects with a sustainable approach. I am passionate about international affairs, international cooperation and sustainable development. I decided to study at ESEI because it offers you an international atmosphere, but at the same time it gives you a very professional environment, which is a key aspect I look for in my professional development. ESEI also gives you different options to get involved as a student. So you can choose by doing a master's degree, a bachelor or an MBA, or you can also do a module, which means taking a short course of a specific area you're interested in, which is what I did. This is a very special aspect to mention. The ESEI staff and faculty team, they are wonderful people. They are very friendly, but at the same time very professional. So there is people that you can always talk with, and for sure they will always find the best ways to support the students. I think that the project-based learning methodology is a great opportunity for students to learn by working on real case scenarios. For sure, this methodology bridges the gap between theory and practice. It allows the students to face different challenges, but at the same time to implement the tools they are learning in the course, to present proposals, to achieve goals of the project. Project-based learning definitely helps the students to be more prepared for a real-life job scenario. Taking this module at ESEI was the best decision I made to keep acquiring professional skills, to obtain knowledge in specific areas, and to be updated. I took the project management and lean management course with the students of the Master in Business Management, and it was a very enriching experience because while I acquired knowledge in project management techniques such as Agile, Lean and Design Thinking, we developed a project based on a real case study. And it was very interesting because it allows me also to expand more my knowledge and to have more tools for my professional development. Steve Malone was a really good professor, and he's a great human being and a great professional. He made sure that our course took place in a very enjoyable, growing and professional environment for everyone. I for sure see myself working somewhere in which my work has a positive and a great impact in our society's sustainable development. I would definitely enroll in another course at ESEI, and I would definitely recommend this experience to anyone who is looking to further their professional development. Barcelona is amazing, and ESEI is a great place to further your professional skills and development. So learning is rich and endless. You're welcome here in Barcelona and at ESEI.